Good morning, guys. It's another beautiful Sunday morning. I'm quite early for our hike today. Just waiting for my companions. In the meantime, someone's keeping me company, and his friends are just littered across the road. And there's more over there. So, yeah, I've got company. Yo, stay. Today's hike is at Bukit Shahbandar. We're going the kind of extended trail, 7 kilometers. Are you looking forward to this?
Yeah, even I'm dying.
She's not dying. She's excited.
It's been a while.
There's Adrian, regular hike buddy.
Yeah.
Natasha, runner.
But the energy is unlimited. I don't know where he...
Janet and Des, waiting for our navigator, or else Des will navigate.
Oh my gosh. No, wait.
It's a stare down with these guys.
Hi.
Morning. Are we sure that this is actually a trail? There seems to be like, there's a trail, there's a trail, here's a trail, this is jungle. But that's the idea, right? That's the idea.
Are you okay, dude? Si Natasha. Are you sure this is
Okay.
the correct route?
This trail looks like it's off the beaten track. There's a map!
That's why I said there's a map here.
Yeah. Okay. We're here. So we are back on track. Just don't mind fern rubbing against our legs. Wearing shorts today. We're out.
Don't touch that.
Exactly.
I almost touched it.
I was like, wow! So on this trail, there are a number of ferns with really long and sharp thorns. Gotta be careful what we grab onto. Something I noticed since we started, it's 1.7 kilometers in now. The trail has no markers. The trail is pretty established. You can see it's very clear. But I actually haven't seen any red and white tape markers just as yet. So I guess people have to rely on just following the trail. The sun is out. The forest is still cool, and it's so tranquil and peaceful in here. It's just beautiful, very therapeutic. See, I don't know if you can hear it, but that's the sound of the forest. Birds, crickets, the wind, some light coming through. The ground is soft from the rain last night.
You flat right, that one.
Yeah, they're better this.
Here, guys. Wag dyan. Lulubog ka
Yes.
Hi guys, followers me guys.
So yeah.
Follow by
The one, Natasha. Yeah.
Might better step there because
Jump.
it's soft here. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and then you see if it's soft or not.
Hard.
Okay, hard. Okay, there.
Hard.
Okay, you can do it. Woo!
Yes, degree.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was the last stream. I think we're on the way back to the beaten path. This is now familiar. Everyone's still okay.
Yeah, surviving.
Des has her shoes off though. Questionable.
What does it mean?
Adrian's okay. Janice okay.
I think
Well
I'm
rested.
the only one.
Jaisal, Jobert
That's
okay.
okay.
Natasha okay.
Oh, I'm not
Still okay.
nothing.
How do I do it like?
This is now a familiar trail.
The only one not.
Ooh, what a view, huh? Moving on. Status check. If we are going to cut through there and head back there, I think that's about 5 kilometers. Not really that far. Can do this.
Thank you for the music.
Actually, if you go that way, it's shorter. But you still need to climb up the staircase.
We are practically on the way out. Exit, so I reckon total of about maybe 6 kilometers today. Okay, so as we come to the end of this trail, a couple of observations. It's a nice walking trail. Ground is soft from the rain last night. Trail is pretty established, so not that many chances of getting lost as long as you just follow the trail. There are no markers. But then again, there aren't that many features. There are some streams that you cross, but there are no such things as rock walls or interesting root formations or waterfalls, but generally just a walk out in nature. There is a pondok here, but who's stopping? Nobody cares for a break anymore. We're just heading straight out. Not too bad. 5 something kilometers. Thank you. We have a very generous lead hiker carrying some 100 plus. Good for thirst.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Kuya.
What do you mean thank you? That's $2 each. It's been a wonderful morning. Very relaxing hike. Of course, a little bit difficult in some parts, but otherwise okay. Thanks for following along. If you like what you see, just hit that like button and subscribe. So thanks, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye.